Most people want to get rich, but most people are following the wrong path. They're chasing ideas they saw on social media 2 or 3 years ago, and in 2026, that's the fastest way to waste time. Dropshipping, random side hustles, surveys, etc. None of these are realistic paths to get rich anymore. So in this video, I'm going to explain 5 realistic ways people are actually building serious money in 2026. You're probably wondering who I am and why you should listen to me. My name is Vibio, and I've spent over 4 years working with money, online content, and different ways to earn online. During that time, I tried a lot of side hustles. I've seen what works, what doesn't, and what actually makes sense for beginners to earn. Let's start. Number 5, long-term ownership. This is the part most people skip and regret later, not because it's complicated, but because it takes time and patience. Real wealth usually comes from ownership. Ownership means having a long-term stake in something that grows slowly over time. This could be equity in a business, building assets that increase in value year after year, or consistently reinvesting profits instead of spending them immediately. When you own something, you're not just trading time for money, you're allowing your money and efforts to compound. Over time, this creates stability and scale that short-term income never can. This approach isn't exciting at the start, progress feels slow, and results aren't visible right away. That's why most people lose interest early and move on to something else. Long-term ownership works because very few people are willing to stay patient long enough to see compounding take effect. Those who do are usually the ones who build wealth that lasts. Number 4, buying what's already working. Most people want to start from zero. Smart people prefer to start from 1. Instead of building everything from scratch, many are buying small digital assets that already make money. This could be a website, a page, a small software tool, or an online brand. They improve it, they optimize it, they scale it. This approach reduces risk and saves time. It's not flashy, but it works. And the best part? Most people ignore this path because it sounds boring. Number 3, owning attention instead of products. Most wealthy people today don't own factories. They own attention. Attention means people listen to you, they watch you, they trust you. This can be a YouTube channel, a newsletter, a social media page, or even a community. When you own attention, money follows in many forms: ads, brand deals, services, partnerships, equity, products. This is why content creators are quietly becoming some of the smartest business owners. They don't chase money directly, they build trust first. In 2026, attention is one of the most flexible assets you can own. If you're still watching, take 1 second and like the video. It really helps the channel. Number 2, service businesses that solve expensive problems. Most beginners think business means selling products, but services are where fast, clean money is made. A service business doesn't need inventory. It doesn't need warehouses. It doesn't need big upfront investment. It needs one thing: solving a problem that businesses already pay for. Marketing, lead generation, automation, content management, back-end systems. Companies happily pay thousands every month for these. This is why agencies and service businesses still work. Not because they're easy, but because they're practical. If you can solve one clear problem and package it properly, you don't need millions of customers. You need a few good ones. Number 1, high-income skills with distribution. In 2026, money doesn't go to ideas anymore. Ideas are everywhere, but money goes to people who can actually do something valuable and show it to the right people. A high-income skill is a skill that directly helps businesses make more money or save time and costs. Things like copywriting, sales, video editing, media buying, automation, consulting, or managing content. These skills are always in demand because businesses depend on them to grow. But here's the part most people miss. Skill alone is not enough. If you're skilled but nobody knows you exist, you stay average. You might be good at what you do, but without visibility, your income stays limited. The moment you combine a skill with distribution, everything changes. Distribution means putting your work in front of people using platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, or any online audience. Now you're not just skilled, you're visible, and visibility multiplies value. This is why people who look overnight successful Usually aren't. They spent years quietly building one strong skill, and when they finally showed it to the world, results came fast. In 2026, Skill Plus Audience is one of the fastest and most reliable ways to scale income. None of these paths are easy, but they are real. If you're looking for quick excitement, this video won't help. But if you're looking for something that actually works, this video is for you. Because the difference between staying average and building wealth is understanding how money really moves today. If you want more videos that explain money the way it actually works, so subscribe to the channel and comment below which one of these paths makes the most sense for you, and I will upload a video on that topic.